Using the POPCO popcorn bowl is simply a great way to enjoy a healthy snack without having to use oil or butter. Expand the popper and stand it on the counter. Pour in fresh quality kernels to either one of the two measurement lines. Gently place the lid inside the bowl without pushing down. Insert the bowl into your microwave and cook on high for 2 to 3 minutes until popping slows to approximately 2 to 3 seconds. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone, the POPCO popper is constructed to not collapse while cooking. Carefully remove the bowl by the handles from the microwave and use hot pads if needed. Remove the lid and add seasoning if desired. Now enjoy a healthy snack. Easy to clean by hand, but it's also dishwasher safe, and it collapses for easy storage. So when you're looking for the best way to microwave popcorn, try the POPCO brand, available on Amazon.